Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to lock your profile on your ONN Google TV streaming box. So the first step is to navigate to your account settings, and to do that, open the main settings menu, select accounts and sign in, and then choose the profile that you want to lock. So for example, I want to lock my main profile, or the one that I'm currently using, Cami Blue. So I would select profile lock and enable it. Once I've done that, you need to verify your identity by entering in the account password for that specific Google account. And once you've entered in the password, you want to highlight the checkbox and select it to continue. So once you've done that, you now need to set a PIN so that it's easy to access it. So set your PIN, and then all you need to do is simply on your phone, so the phone that has that Google account, just type in g.co/resetpin. And then once you've verified your identity, you should see a page looking like this on your phone. So you want to now create your 4-digit PIN and then confirm it by entering it in again. And then once you've done that, you want to select Create PIN. So now you've successfully set up the PIN, so you can go back to your TV and then select It's Done. So now, whenever someone wants to access their profile, they'll need to use your PIN. So for example, if I switch profiles, say for example, I go to Mischief, and then I want to switch back to Cami Blue, I'll need to enter in my PIN that I've just created so that I can now access my account. So let me enter in my PIN, and you'll be given instructions on how you can do this. So the first step is to move up and down to highlight a row of numbers, press left, center, or right to enter a number from that row. To delete a number, press the back button. So once you've understood all of those instructions, go to select continue. And now it's up to you to now enter in your PIN. And then once you've entered in your PIN, you'll be brought to that profile that you had locked originally. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.